Amanda had some money. After spending $90 on a bag, she spent 1/3 of the remaining amount on food. In the end, she had 1/4 of her money left. How much money did she have at first? So we will be using the branching method to solve this problem. So the very first thing is money at first. Which we don't know yet. So money at first, the first branch will come out, which she spent $90 on a bag. So this is going to be 90 is a bag. Then she spent 1/3 of the remaining amount. So these 3 unit must be the remainder. 3U, which is remainder. From this 3U, she spent 1 unit for food. Okay, in the end, she had 1/4 of her money left. So from 3U, when you take out 1U, we were left 2U. This 2U is equivalent to 1/4 of her money. Okay, now this branching is complete. We are going to start solving the problem. So from here, you can see 1/4 is equal to 2 units. So if we want 1 whole, which is 4/4, is going to be 2 times 4, which is 8 unit. This 8 unit is this money at first. So at this money at first, you will go and put 8U. So from here, we can see from this 8 unit, the total amount of money minus away the remainder, which is 3U, you can see that this 90, the bag is 5 unit. So 5 unit, we can see 5 unit is $90. So 1U is 90 divided by 5, which will give you 18. So day 1, how much money did she have at first? So day 1, this 8 unit, the amount of 8 unit. So 8U is going to be 18 times 8, which is equal to 144. So the money at first is going to be answer $144. Ben had some money. He spent $260 on a jacket and 3/7 of the remainder on a pair of shoes. He had 1/5 of his money left. How much money did Ben have at first? So same thing, we will start with money at first. So from money at first, he spent 260 on a jacket. So this is 260. This is going to be jacket. Then you will have the remainder. Remainder is going to be this 7 unit, because he spent 3/7 of a remainder on a pair of shoes. That means this 7 is the remainder, so remainder is 7 unit. From this 7 unit, he spent 3U. This 3U is on shoes. So from 7u, take away 3u, we were left with 4u. So this 4u is left. So this left, you can see they say he had 1/5 of his money left. So this 4u is equal to 1/5 of his money. So the branching method is done. So we will be solving the problem right now. Now we can see 1/5 is equal to 4u. So to get a whole fifth, what do we do? 4 times 5, which is equal to 20u. So this 20u is going to be the money at first. So we will be putting here 20u. So from here you can see 20 minus 7u, you were left with 13u at this side. So jacket is going to be 20u minus 7u equal to 13u. So as you can see, 13u is equal to 260. So 1u is equal to 260 divided by 13, which will give you 20. So they want how much money did Ben have at first. So at first is going to be this 20u. So 20u is equal to 20 times 20 equal to 400. So answer will be $400. David spent 1,330 of his monthly salary on rental and 1/8 of his remaining salary on food. He then saved the rest of his money, and it was 2/5 of his salary. What was his monthly salary? How much more did he spend on rental than his food? So first thing first, we need to find out what is his salary. So this is what we are going to find. Then he spent 1,330 on rental. Then next thing, we need to find the remainder, which is 1/8 of his remaining salary. So remainder is 8 units. So he spent 1 unit on food. So we were left with 7 units. And 7 units is equivalent to 2/5 of his salary. So this is 2/5 of his. Okay, now we will start solving the question. Now here, 2/5 is equivalent to 7 units. And we cannot straightaway find 5/5 for the 1 whole. So in order to find 5/5, we need to find 1/5 first. To find 1/5, we have to do 7u divided by 2, which will give you 3.5u. So now we will be finding 5 equal to 3.5u multiplied by 5, which will give you 7.5 units. So this 7.5 unit is the monthly salary. So it is going to be 17.5 unit. So now let's figure out the rental. Rental is going to be 17.5 unit minus 8 unit, which will give you 9.5 unit. So we will be writing 9.5 unit here. So you can see 9.5 unit is equivalent to 1,330. So 1 unit is going to be 1,330 divided by 9.5, which will give you 140. Now, we need to settle this A first. What was his monthly salary? So monthly salary is 17.5 unit. So we will be doing 140 multiplied by 17.5, which will give you 2,450. This is for A. Now, we will be solving B. B is how much more did he spend on rental than his food? So it is going to be difference in rental and food. So rental is 1,330 minus food is 1 unit, which is 140. So which will give you 1,190. So this is the answer for A, and this is the answer for B.